Hey guys, Eric Henderson here for day 3 of the 21 days, 21 steps to online local marketing domination for your local business. And we're talking again about the customer magnet. Okay, I think I've shown this to you guys before. 21 steps to ensure your business dominates Google's local search results. And again, this video is going to be 2 minutes or less. Hopefully you've done the first two exercises for the first 2 days. This third day, now let's recap real quick. First day, you just made a list of keywords that you want to be found that are based on what your product or service provides to a consumer, okay, to a potential customer of yours. The second day, which was yesterday, the video I made was about taking those keywords and putting them into Google's free tool called the Google External Keyword Tool. Pretty simple. And you can kind of play around with that tool. I didn't put real specific instructions on there, but the bottom line is on step 2, when you're putting them into the keyword tool, you want to basically put them in and then look at both the global monthly searches and the local monthly searches. And you want to pay attention to both, but the local monthly searches is what you want to pay attention to because obviously we're going local here. Now the third step today is to add now once you're in the Google External Keyword Tool, we're going to use that again. I want you to add the area that you're in, the city name. So let's say you're in landscaping, like the example I used before. If you're a landscaper and you're in Boston, Massachusetts, but let's say you're in a town called Concord, Massachusetts, which is a suburb of Boston, you would have Concord Landscape Company. And then you also want to put the city that you're basically doing most of your work out of at the end. So you want to do landscaper Concord, Mass, just like Concord, Mass landscaper, okay? So what I'm trying to get across is you want to basically take the top 10 keywords you have and put at both the front and the back of the keyword or key phrase the area that you're doing business in. If you have a small area you do business in, well, maybe you want to take a couple other towns as well. So maybe in my case it would be Concord, Carlisle, Bedford, things like that from my area where I live in Boston, Massachusetts. So that's it. That's the third step. That's the 3 days now. You've now gotten a keyword list. You have figured out the top 10 best keywords you want to rank for on the first page of Google, Yahoo, MSN, all the search engines. And now you're going to kind of do a localized keyword phrase and keyword terms by putting the name of the area, the name of the city or town that you want to work in, okay, in the front and the back of the keyword. That's it. Those are the first 2 things you need to do. Tomorrow we're going to go over some more exciting stuff. We're going to take this to the next level on day 4. Okay, so again, this is called the customer magnet. I'm totally giving you guys 21 free tips in 21 days that if you follow these, you can really make just a huge splash at the search engines and get your name out there. And after this 21 days is over, I'm going to talk to you about, and I'm going to give you a free report as well, it talks about the 5 things, or the 5 reasons actually, that your website visitors are not turning into or being converted to clients, customers, or patients, depending on what kind of business you're in. But let's get on the search results first. Dominate them. Then we'll talk about how to convert those visitors. All right? This is Eric Henderson coming at you. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.